Welcome, today I am with Xiaomi Redmi 10 and I will show you how you can install tempered glass on this smartphone. So you have to open box with the glass. Inside you will find this glass and also these two wipes. I'm going to open the wet one at the first, and that's where I can recommend you to do it also. Right now just clean your screen. Reach corners, edges. Just clean whole screen. Right now when you finish, you have to open dry wipe and you have to remove this water marks. So just do the same. Okay, and when you finish, when you clean your screen, you have to remove the sticker from the tempered glass. Do it gently, and it will also come with this foil that is attached under the glass. Right now just hold your glass like that, put the top part of the glass, keep holding the bottom part. As you can see, it's very simple when you apply the silicone case that you can find in the box. It's very simple to put it correctly, but when you don't have this kind of the protection, just put it evenly for the both edges. And when you make it, just take a look, you can tap right here in the middle and it will go almost automatically. We can speed it up by pressing with our fingers. Oh, sorry, the camera loses focus. But as you can see, we applied glass on the screen. Of course, you can find here these glue marks, but they will disappear when you press with your fingers. Take a look. As you can see, everything disappears from this spot. So I'm going to make it right now for whole display. Okay, and as you can see, we remove almost every glue mark. Rest of them will disappear after a few days. Right now we can just use our device. Just like that. As you can see, there's no any problem with the touch interaction. That's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.